goes. I say I'll save this for later. Then I reach in the cupboard, pull out a container. I say, well, this'll make a mighty fine snack down the road, just a smidge. And with the best of intentions, I put that thing right into the fridge. Some time passes by, I kinda lose track. That thing gets pushed a little farther on toward the back end. Well, and before you know it, it had completely slipped my mind. And that thing in the fridge gets pushed a little farther on back behind. Now I saw it the other day when I reached in for the butter. Now didn't that thing used to be a different color? And right now I can't exactly recall just what it is. I think I'll deal with it later. That thing in the back of the fridge. Now I've got to do something. It's starting to haunt my dreams. A friend reached in for a beer and let out a little scream. Well, I know I just can't put it off anymore. You know that thing in the back of the fridge, it has just got to go. So I reached in, gonna throw the whole thing out. Then it growled and hissed at me, and it started to whimper and pout. Well, that damn near broke my heart. I guess I'll just accept what this is. Well, I guess it's just part of the family now. That thing in the back of the fridge.